Hey everyone, my name is Ian. I work at the Fort Worth Public Library, and today I have a great making activity for those of you who like to interact with bubbles. This is a fun foam bubble maker using some old supplies that you may already have around your house. So let's go ahead and get started. For today's project, you'll want to use a plastic cup. You'll want a sock. Make sure that it is a clean sock, not a dirty sock, and especially one that you're ready to get rid of. Ones that have holes are great for this project. A rubber band and a pair of scissors. The first thing that you're going to want to do is cut part of the sock off. So we'll go ahead, I'm going to cut it just in front of the heel, because when I measured this out, it fit just beyond the heel. So now I'm going to take my sock, which is now a tube, and I'm going to stretch it over the open end of the cup. And you want to make sure that it is stretched as tightly as possible. Next, we're going to take our rubber band and place that just under the lip of the cup. And on the back side of the cup, we're going to take our scissors and we're going to gently poke a hole into the end. Remember, whenever poking a hole into the end of the cup, make sure an adult does this part. Alright, now that this is complete, let's go ahead and take it outside and see how well it works. Now that I'm outside, I'm going to create my bubble solution using some dishwashing liquid. I'm just going to put a little bit here into a bowl, maybe a lot. And then of course I'm going to combine that with some water, and I'm going to mix this up. Now that I've gotten everything mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and dip the end of the cup into my bubble solution. And then using the hole in the bottom of the cup, I'll blow through that to create the bubble foam. Look at that! This is a fun project, and you can always experiment with different factors, maybe a different style of sock, maybe a different bubble solution. There's a lot of different ways to change it up and create something new. This is a fun project for all ages, and of course you can experiment and see what different factors make different types of bubbles, and you can always post your creations on our social media channels. We would love to see what you do with this project.